What's up, everybody? Viper here. Today in MistSurvival, we got a update 0.4.1, and a few things they've done to it. They've added 6 save slots for us, so that's pretty much what the this video is going to be about today, is how to load those saves of pre-existing saves that you have stored on your computer, if that makes sense. Like I have, tons of different saves, and I want to put my saves in those 6 slots so I can go in between them. And that's basically what I'm going to show today. And then also some code refractors. No idea what the hell this means. But I do know when I checked, when I loaded my game in, all the vehicles had respawned on the map. Like I have additional vehicles. So like my trucks respawn, my cars respawn. So I think instead of like 7 or 8 vehicles, I should have like 16 or something. Well, actually more than that, because there's also 3 in the farm area now. And in the environment, they added a church in the farm area. We'll look at that stuff later. But the main thing I'm going to focus on is those save slots. And then they fixed a lot of bugs. So hopefully some of this stuff will make it a whole lot easier to play. But let me go ahead and get to this 6 save stuff. Alright, let me close that out. Go into Mist. And then we're going to see where our save slots are. Alright, when you go to load game, you have 6 slots here. And it'll have whatever your last one is in slot 1. So if you want to load, if you have multiple saves on your computer and you want to add a bunch of them, this is how you're going to have to do it. Alright, quit back out of there. We're going to go find our save slot. And then we're just going to go to this quick access, and then we're going to copy and paste this little local app data stuff. And just paste it up here. And then it'll have your name, which I'm editing out, app data, local, MistSurvival, shared, save games. You want to keep this one open. And then like my save games are in this file right here, and there's just a ton of them. Like all my viewer builds and vegan challenges and all these other ones. So what I'm going to do is, let's go ahead and just take my Dusk Till Dawn. And then I want to take this file, this MST, and what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to click it so I can edit it, and then I'm just going to put a little underline, and then I'm going to put a 1. And then I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it in here. So that'll be in the 2nd slot. Now, I'm going to go to another one, like my backpack locations or whatever. And this one, I am going to put another little underline, and I'm going to put a 2. And then I'm going to copy and paste that in there. And let's go to let's do all 6. So we'll do like my live to survive challenge that I'm doing right now. And this one will be 3. Copy, paste, and then we can go with our living with the bandits. And then let's just take, let's see, you got an August one. Let's just take this one. And then we're going to do the same thing here. And then this one's going to be 4. And then we need one more. So this one we'll just do our we'll just do our vegan pacifist challenge. And we'll just take this one right here. And then this one's going to be 5. Don't worry about the rest of the files. It's just this MST one you really need. Copy it, paste it. So now we got 5 saves. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 saves in there. So you can just close this mess out and then go back into your game. And then you go to load. Now I have all these different games. So let's just start loading them up just so you make sure they work. Alright, this is the one I just used for my one of my last videos I did. And if you can see, the cars are respawned. Like, I didn't move this truck here before this update. Now I got another one stacked on top of it. So I'm going to have to get probably a CrackerJack device and move it out of there before it goes crazy. And I did look in the map, and there was cars, you know, where all the cars respawn, there was a car there. So now we're going to quit out of here and just check the other saves. This one's day 9. Alright, this is where I was doing my my Dusk Till Dawn challenge at. Alright, this was priorities or something. And you can see there's 2 more cars there. And this is my Live to Survive challenge. And this one's my Living with the Bandits. See, we're over here at the new side of the map. Got our sniper there. And this is my vegan pacifist challenge. So as you can see, all the saves work, and all I did was just show you exactly how I did it. Just label them 1, 2. You know, 0 is the save that's already in the game that's loaded from when this update was done, and then you'll have to add the underlined 1, underlined 2, 3, 4, 5 to fill those slots. Now you can also go into and delete them from the save slots. Like, you can go into load game and then say you want to delete this one. You can delete it. Now we deleted, this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. So now if I go out of here, quit it, and I go back into my save games, 3 is not here anymore. So if I want to add one to that slot, I just, you know, label it like MistSurvival or Mist3, just like I did. So that's how you add your saves that you already have on your computer back into the Mist game, so you can go between those six separate saves and don't have to use this method anymore. And like, if you're transferring files for like my base tours or whatever, if you're trying to send a file, you just take the this MST, this file right here, the one that actually has a bunch of you know, 13 kilobytes or 13,000 kilobytes, 4 megabytes, 8 megabytes. These are the files that someone needs to actually be able to look into your world. The ones that are big, these little the ones that are just 1 kilobyte, you don't need to send those, just this one single file. Alright, I hope that helps y'all. Thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all later.